Good morning, class 3 students. Welcome back to our EVIS class, and I hope you all are fine and doing your work properly. So yes, chapter number 21 word yes So yes, we were doing chapter number 21, that was natural resources and pollution. That bookwork we had done, and that notebook work I am sending along with this video, so you can just note it down your notebook work from there. Okay, so yes, today we are starting with the new chapter, that is the web of life. Web, what is the web? Web क्या होता है? एक जाल, which is like सब एक दूसरे से linked होते हैं. Okay, वेब मीन्स उसमें हर एक जगह एक दूसरे से लिंक्ड होती है. आपने देखा होगा वेब, लाइक स्पाइडर जो वेब बनाता है, राइट? उसमें क्या होता है, इस तरह से सर्कल के अंदर हर एक लाइन लिंक्ड होती है एक दूसरे से. सो दैट इज द वेब. लाइक दिस वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट द लाइफ, दैट इज द वेब ऑफ लाइफ. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, I want to ask something from you. I have written something here, like for sunlight, animals, water, house, sand and plants. Okay, so you have to tell me, like you have to guess that which thing is, which name is written here is living thing and which are non-living thing. For living thing, we will be making circle on that, and for non-living thing, we will be making a square on that. Okay, so tell me, sunlight is a living or non-living thing? Yes, do you all know about what are the living things which can take breath, right? And so sunlight क्या है? Is it living or non-living? It's non-living, right? So we will put square on this one. Then next we are having here house. House is living or non-living? Okay, that is again non-living. Then animals. Animals are living or non-living? Animals can walk, animals can drink water, animals can do anything, right? So they are living things. Then sand. Sand is living or non-living? That is non-living. Again water is also non-living. Then plants, and plants are living beings, right? They also take breath, they make their own food, so they are living things. So we know that the plants and animals or the humans, these are living things, right? Then sunlight, soil, air, water, house, these are non-living things. Correct? So, but the thing is that the living thing and the non-living thing are linked with each other. See how? Animals eat these plants, right? Animals live in the house, right? Sunlight, plants need sunlight, right? And also it needs sand or soil. It needs water also. They also need water, and they also need sunlight. So it is totally connected with each other, right? So I hope it is clear to you ki what is the meaning of the linked here. It means they are connected with each other. It means they are making a web of life. Means living things are connected with non-living things, right? So living things are connected with non-living things. So this is the main point we have to keep in our mind कि जो living things हैं वो totally connected होती हैं non-living things से, और वो एक web create करते हैं. They are linked to one another. So what do we need to live? Do you know what do we need to live? We need water, right? We need sunlight. So we all need water, air, and food too. These are the main thing what we need, right? So now what do we all need to live? We all need to live these things: water, air and food. And we get food from, हमें ये food कहाँ से मिलता है? We get food from plants and animals. So they are all linked. So we also need clothes to wear. हमें क्या चाहिए? Clothes भी चाहिए wear करने के लिए, shelter भी चाहिए. Shelter भी चाहिए. It means house चाहिए ना हमें रहने के लिए. Can we live without house? No. House. Why do we need house? Because it prevents us from heat, cold, and rain. So that's why we need houses for shelter. Now look at it in your book. आपकी book में देखो, there is a web given in your book. And in this web, you can see the things are totally connected, totally linked with each other. Here, I can show you. First of all, a boy is here. You can see the Rahul boy. And this boy needs sunlight, needs air, needs water also, right? It needs plants also, it needs house also, it needs of cow. It means cow gives us milk, butter, ghee and all. तो हमें ये सब चीजें totally connected है. These are totally linked with each other. So इसी तरह से you can see, you can make another web. यहाँ पर lines आपको dotted में दी हुई है. You can draw it. Air, parrot को भी चाहिए, parrot को water भी चाहिए. अब cow को water भी चाहिए, cow को grass भी चाहिए. So इस तरह से आपको ये वेब क्रिएट करना है. जो डॉटेड लाइंस है उनको आपस में अटैच करना है और आपको देखना है आर यू कनेक्टेड इट राइट. किसको क्या चीज चाहिए टू लिव. ओके, so this is the web of life. It is a very small chapter and we will complete it today only. Okay, only bookwork and notebook work will be pending. So this is very easy chapter. So what you have to do is आपको बहुत सारी चीजें दिख रही हैं, इनको ध्यान से देखना है. राहुल का सेंटर का वेब बना हुआ है, उसकी पिक्चर टोटली लाइन से करेक्टेड है जो उसको चाहिए. अब बाकी चीजों को देखो, और क्या चाहिए हो सकता है राहुल को, ठीक है, उसको कनेक्ट कर दो. और किसी को क्या चाहिए वो भी कनेक्ट कर दो. सो दिस इज अप टू यू दैट हाउ यू विल डू दिस वेब. अभी मैंने आपको एक स्मॉल वेब करके दिखाया था कि कौन सी चीज किस चीज से कनेक्टेड थी. Right? Animals, plants, sunlight, sand, water, how they were connected to each other. So like this you can make your web also. आप अपनी तरफ से भी एक वेब बना के अपनी एक प्लेन पेज पे, नोटबुक पे you can draw that and just it is a fun to do, right? So इससे क्या होगा, आप अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे that what is the meaning of web of life, how everything is linked with each other. Okay, now just like this you can like we have joined the cow with lines of all those things it needs to live. इसी तरह से आप cow के लिए कर सकते हो, इसी तरह से आप किसी और एनिमल के लिए या किसी प्लांट के लिए भी कर सकते हो, राइट? सो अब आपके पास एक और पिक्चर दी हुई है, दैट इज द कार्ड्स. आपको कार्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. कार्ड्स एवरीवन नो कैसे प्ले करते हैं, राइट? सो अभी लॉकडाउन में यू ऑल डिड दैट. सो this is the cards given. This picture it shows a house of cards. Cards का house बना रखा है. Join them. Each card depend on the several other cards to remain in the same position. हर एक कार्ड जो है दूसरे कार्ड के ऊपर डिपेंड है. If we will touch this तो सारा house गिर जाएगा. Correct? So it is totally depend on each other. If you will disturb one of the cards, the house of cards fall down. Correct? So this is how it is also linked. So the we connected that it's living things and non-living things are depends on one another. That is it about this chapter. हमें सिर्फ इसमें यही सीखना था. So now I will be showing you one more thing. See, let's do the web of life more. लिविंग और लिविंग थिंग्स कैसे इंटरलिंक्ड हैं, अभी हम थोड़ा सा और रीड करते हैं उसके बारे में. लाइक these are the non living things. Here I am writing sunlight, air, water and soil. These are the non-living things. Now, here I have made it like this, and here I am writing about the plants. Then we are having, see, so plants need all of them. Plants को ये सब चीजें चाहिए, right? Plants को water भी चाहिए, air भी चाहिए, sunlight भी चाहिए and soil भी चाहिए. Can this plant क्या ये plant grow कर सकता है without it? Without these things, can the plants grow? No. Plants need sunlight also, air also, water also and soil also. Right? Then, these plants are eaten by a hen. Hen eat करती है इन plants को. Then, what does plants produce? Plants produce क्या करते हैं? Cereals, fruits also, correct? Then we can say it. Here I am talking about the wheat. Okay. Then next, here I have written eaten by. Then it produce. And और कौन इसको eat करता है plants को? It eaten by. Again here eaten by cow, right? Now this hen gives, what does gives? It gives us eggs, and cow gives us milk. And from wheat, what we can make? From wheat we can make bread, correct? So from wheat we can make bread. Now see, eggs, bread and milk, these all three are breakfast, right? So these are our breakfast. So yes, that is all for today homework I am sending you. So yes, you all have to read this chapter properly and you have to prepare for the test which I will be taking on Tuesday. Yeah, so on Tuesday I will be taking test of lesson number 18, that is the locating places. So because we have to do hard work for that chapter, there is a map also given and I can ask like where is where is Jammu and Kashmir, and you have to locate in the map. So but before that, on Monday maybe I will be taking your live class. It is not sure but I will be informing about that. So yes, इसी तरह से हम अच्छे से रिवीजन करेंगे. लाइव क्लास में हमारी प्रॉपर रिवीजन होगी. वन चैप्टर और रह गया है. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द चैप्टर वी विल बी डूइंग ओनली रिवीजन एंड रिवीजन. So yes, everyone, do work hard and also read the chapters properly. And thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. Bye bye and take care.